Hello friends, my name is Ankur Chaudhary. I already discussed many Android applications like calling, multimedia player, music player with you earlier. Today I am sitting in front of you to discuss about the message sending. That we use the SMS. Every Android phone has a SMS or the real device has a SMS facility. We have the specific coding for the SMS. Today let us try this coding over here. First we open up the Eclipse where we apply the Android coding. Let's create a class like SMS manager. Let's check. This is our class SMS manager. In the SMS, first we have to create the layout. In the layout we have to create two edit text, one for the entering number and another for the message. Let's check whether we have to create. This is our, just check the graphical layout. This is our edit text for entering the number, and this is our edit text so that we enter the text over here, and this is our send button so that we have to apply the sending logic over here. Let's check. This is, we take the edit text, its id is number over here. This id should be taken that so that we can create a link between the java and the xml file. This edit text we have just taken for the text, and its id we have taken as sms. Here we take the android layout gravity as top. We take this as the top so that our text, when we write the text in our this edit text, should be started from the top of there. Then we create a button, and we take the id of the button is send. Okay, let's check now our java file. Here it is our package form.ank. In this we have to just create a activity, SMS manager activity. In this activity, let's check our activity first main class. Here we have the first method on create bundle save instant. Here set content view so that we r.layout main so that we can make the contact with the XML. Here we read out all these IDs, number for the entering number of the edit text, and here for SMS for entering text over there, and this is send button so that we can apply the logic of the SMS. We just use this send set on click listener so that when we click this button the SMS should be sent. Let's check the logic over here. This is our click class which we made from the button. Here we have the main on click method where we just first make the condition that if the number edit text has the length should be always more than 0. If it has the length less than 0, we just create a toast over here. In this toast we just create a message, so please enter the number. This message should come for few seconds in our screen, and if he has entered the number, then we create this class SMS manager class. This class just identify the DVM that now we have created the logic for the SMS sending. Here we use this, the object of SMS manager class is SS, so we create the SS dot send text message. Here we in the send text message we just apply the logic that will be here. Here we apply the logic. Here first we have the destination address. In destination address we get the number from the number edit text. In next we have the just text. We have in the text we just enter the text whatever we enter in the SMS text box. Then we have the delivery intent. We do not use the delivery intent over here, so because we have already uses the SMS manager class. If this logic would be applied, then a toast should be come over here that SMS should be sent. Let's change the manifest file of this project. Manifest file of every project is the backbone of every project where we can identify all this. Here we create the permission for this. This is permission is android permission dot send SMS. In by this permission that whole of the logic which is created in the android library should come under the SMS manager class. Let's check whether it is running properly or not. This is our emulator. This is our emulator. Let's check whether this project would run properly over here or not. We just have the logic over here, just run the project android application. Let's check now whether it is running properly or not. Sometime it will take little bit time. This APK file should be loaded over there. If we run this project on the real device, we just transfer this APK file over there. Let's check this logic. See, this is our program should be running on emulator. First we just do not enter any number, just create this send SMS. Here the toast enter, please enter the number which we can create in the else case over there. Now we enter any number 999418988. Now just give this is send SMS failed. It is failed because we have created the try catch over here. We do not write any text over here. Just write any text over here. This is input. We just write a text over here. Okay, then we come on the next line on this SMS. Is it SMS send over here? Let's do this running program again. Okay, we'll write anything over here, Ankush, and then create this. So SMS send. So this is our program for the SMS sending. I hope you will go understand each and everything over here. Thank you for this.